Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to check your available storage on Google Drive. The updated 2026 way. It's super simple, but Google hides a few things. So yeah, let's walk through it together. So first, go ahead and open Google Drive in your browser. Just make sure you're signed in with the right Google account. Sometimes people switch accounts without noticing, and the storage number looks off. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar. Near the bottom, you'll see a little storage indicator. It'll show how much space you've used out of your total limit, like 10 gigabytes of 15 used. This is the fastest way to check your storage. Now, if you want a deeper breakdown, like what's actually taking up space, click on that storage bar. Google will open a page showing every large file in your drive. This is super helpful if you're trying to clean things up. I mean, it shows the culprits right away. And here's something a lot of people miss. Your storage isn't just Drive, it includes Gmail and Google Photos too. So if you want to see the full picture, click the link that says View Storage across Google. It'll open a clean dashboard with your total space, what's filling it, and your upgrade options. And that's pretty much it. That's how you check your available storage on Google Drive in 2026. If this helped, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides, only if you want to, of course. All right, see you in the next one.